Inside this massive facility, every step follows strict safety standards. Giant steel vats blend the base ingredients before automated lines package the frozen treats. High-speed cameras inspect every piece of fruit. Precise air jets instantly remove any defects. Each year, tons of fresh strawberries arrive at this state-of-the-art facility. Every piece of fruit is inspected for color and ripeness. Only the finest strawberries move forward to the washing station.
Fresh strawberries arrive at the processing facility. Rapidly removes the green tops. Human inspectors ensure that only move forward. Precision blades cut them into uniform pieces, ready for packaging and shipment.
In this automated facility, fresh strawberries are transformed. Massive blades pulverize the fruit, creating a perfectly smooth, rich puree. Fresh milk arrives in large tanks. Workers monitor digital controls. Precise temperatures ensure safety. Welcome to modern dairies. Inside these massive stainless steel tanks, the process begins. Fresh cream and sugar meet a vibrant strawberry puree. Mixers ensure a perfectly smooth blend. Fresh fruit pieces are introduced. They fold directly into the rich cream. Automated paddles create a perfect blend, ensuring quality in every batch. The ice cream mixture flows through the pasteurizer. Here, precise temperature control ensures absolute food safety. Thermal processing creates a smooth and perfect base. Intense pressure breaks down fat globules, creating a perfectly smooth and uniform mix. This ensures a rich, velvety texture in every single scoop. Before freezing, the ice cream mix must be rapidly cooled. Massive giant tanks maintain a precise freezing temperature. This ensures a perfectly smooth texture. The liquid mix enters the freezing cylinder. Here, it's churned and frozen simultaneously, creating that signature thick and creamy texture. Perfect consistency in every batch. In this modern facility, scientists test every batch. They check the texture to ensure a perfect scoop. Each sample must strict safety standards. Digital scans confirm that the product is pure. In this highly automated facility, efficiency is key. Precise fillers dispense tons of strawberry ice cream daily, creating a perfect treat. Inside this facility, high-speed machines take over. Every lid must be placed with flawless accuracy. This ensures strict hygiene and absolute quality control. A perfect seal. Once filled, the tubs move to the packaging line. High-speed robots accurately place them into boxes. Workers ensure every container is properly aligned, ready for shipment worldwide. Inside this facility, precision meets tradition. High-speed fillers extrude thousands of gallons daily. Every batch is monitored for perfect frozen treat requires absolute control.